Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately nowadays you don't really have to do anything because your device will do it for you. Actually, all you have to do is to simply find the phone master. Yes, Phone Master. This is how this app is called. And as you can see, basically here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find the antivirus. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, your device will scan itself, will check everything. So privacy risks, some viruses, payment environments, and so on. And of course, if everything will be okay, and then it will show you that everything is fine, just like here. We've got everything ticked, which simply means that there are no problems here. Also, your device will show you some suggestions, so what you can do to improve the security of your device. So for example, you can clean up the garbage and so on and so on. Sometimes you will see something like the system updates and so on. So basically this antivirus will simply check everything, and basically that's all. You don't have to do anything more. So actually that's all. This is how to virus scan your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.